this is my fresh fish. I'm going to be cutting and washing them. As you can see, it's slimy. See, it's slimy. So I'm going some hot water. You can see it's hot water. So I can't use my bare hand because the water is hot. And as you can see, this is the dirt. You can see what is there. You can see. So I'm washing it out. Slimy. You can see the slimy water. This is slimy water. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to be using my hand. You can see. I'm going to be using my hand just to make sure it's completely washed perfectly. Although the water is still very hot, so you can see. So I'll just push it out because I really want it to get, you can see it's still slimy. So I'm going to wash it out of this hot water. The water is still partially hot. It has gone, so I'm just going to wash it out like this. I'm not adding anything to it. As you can see, all I'm just going to do is just rinse it. You can see it's no longer slimy, and I'm not using another thing than just my, let me say hot, but not 100% hot. It's not up to 100 degrees Celsius. It's just little, just make it to almost boiling point, as you can see, and my skin is still intact. So this is how you wash your fish, a catfish, with hot water. I didn't use any lime, I didn't use any alum, I didn't use starch and alum. I just used only my hot water to wash my, and you can